Hello everyone, how are you? You're good? This is me, Tamar Leje YouTube channel. In this video, in our today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about communication media. Before that, all of you, if you are a newcomers for this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for your friends. So let us pass into our today's lesson. So our today's topic is about what? About communication media. So in this weekend, we are already start networking lesson, basic of networking. So like this, you're gonna to continue to part 10. So patiently, all of you be with me. I'm sure you're gonna to take some important thing from these networking parts. So before going into further, what is communication media? Let us get into communication media. So communication media is a path or channel through data or information is travel between connected device over the networks. Come again. Communication media is what? Communication media is a path or is a channel or is a way through data or information is travel through what? Through connected device over a network. That means there are too many devices collecting together through one umbrella. That's called network. And in that network, there is a transfer of information. There is a travel of information. That data and the information can pass through by different kinds of, by different ways, through a different manner, through a different channels, okay? This channel, path or a way can be called as a what? As a communication media. Is it clear for you? So this simply, communication media is a medium. Communication media is a carrier of data transmission from one place to another. It carries the data to what? To transfer from one end device to other end devices. So there are different kinds of communication media. The first one is wired communication media, and the second one is wireless communication media. So when we say wired communication media and the wireless communication media, according to they take data, in which part of the transmission parts they take or hold the data, we can divide into wire and the wireless. So let's we see one by one. So wired communication media means it is a type of communicational media that transfer or travel data by the use of a physical cable. So each and every data can pass through what? Can pass through the cable you connect to the internet. So there is a physical cable you can see and touched. You can see and touched on what? To transfer such kinds of data. This kind of communication media is sometimes called as a what? As a guided media. That can be guided to what? To get into a destination. It have a source and it have this. So it can be sent by someone. So it have what? It have something like what? A messenger. So it get into what? The direct or the destination. That is called wired communication media. This wired communication media, as I said, to use a physical cable. Such cable is a cable we use in these kinds of communication media. Are totally there are three. There are three cables there. The first one is twisted pair cable. The second one is coaxial cable. The third one is fiber optic cable. From three of them, the most and the cables we are using right now, the best one also, it's called fiber optic cables. Coaxial cable is sometimes used for what? When you are working for LAN and for telephone, you are using coaxial twisted pair cables. But for coaxial cable for TV and the CCTV, to connect TV and the CCTV. The third one, fiber optic cable, what? To access high internet speed, because it use what? It use lights. Okay, this is three types of cable we are using in wire communication media. Secondly, let us pass into the communication media as we that did use wireless communication media. So this wireless communication media that transmit data through the air by the use of electromagnetic wave. So these are totally there are four kind of this wireless communication media. The first one is infrared. Okay, infrared is wireless communication media that used in for TV remotes. Okay, so and the satellites communication is used for what? For GPS. Okay, GPS is working through what? Through satellites. And also microwave is there. Microwave is work for what? For mobile network. For mobile network. And also there is radio wave. So these are all about our communication media lessons for today's lesson. Let us translate some of them in Amharic. ውድ ተማሪዎቻችን ዛሬ ዋየር እና ዋየርለስ ሚዲያ ነው እየተማርን ያለ ነው። ኮሚኒኬሽን ሚዲያ በሁለት ይከፈላል፣ ዋየር እና ዋየርለስ። ኮሚኒኬሽን ሚዲያ ማለት ፋይሎች፣ ዳታዎች በኔትወርክ በተገናኙ ኮምፒውተሮች መካከል ትራንስፈር የምናደርግበት ቻናል ወይንም ፓዝ ብለን የምንጠራው ነው። ሶ it is a medium that carries different kinds of signals, data signals ብለን የምንጠራው። ሶ ይሄ ኮሚኒኬሽን ሚዲያ በሁለት ይከፈላል። የመጀመሪያው ዋየር እና ሁለተኛው ደግሞ ዋየርለስ ነው። ዋየር ማለት ባለ ገመዱ ሲሆን ዋየርለስ ሲሆን ደግሞ ገመድ አልባው ኮሚኒኬሽን ሚዲያ ነው። ኮሚኒኬሽን አለ፣ ዳታ ትራንስፈር አለ። የዳታ ትራንስፈር የሚካሄደው በገመድ ነው፣ ያኛው ላይ ደግሞ ያለ ገመድ ማለት ነው። ሶ በገመድ ነው ስንልና ያለ ገመድ ስንል በአጭር አማርኛ ልንገራችሁ። ኖት ከፈለጋችሁ ቴሌግራም ላይ አስቀምጣለሁ፣ ኖት መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። ሶ በአጭሩ ልንገራችሁ። የእናንተ አባት 15000 ብር የሚያወጣ እቃ 11ኛ ክፍል ለሚማር ወንድማችሁ፣ እናንተ 9ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች ናችሁ ብለን እናስብ። ለ11ኛ ክፍል ለሚማረው ታላቅ ወንድማችሁ የ15000 ብር እቃ ገዝቶ ቤት አድርስ ብሎ ሰጠው። 7 ሰዓት ሰጠውና 7 ሰዓት ተኩል መድረስ አለበት። አሁኑኑ ይሄንን መልእክት አድርስ፣ እዚህ አድርስ፣ ለእናንተና ስጥ፣ የ15000 ብር እቃ ነው፣ በዚህ መንገድ ሂድ፣ በዚህ ሰዓት ድረስ ብሎ አባታችሁ ታላቅ ወንድማችሁ ላከው። ታላቅ ወንድማችሁ ተቀበለውና እቃውን ይዞ መጥቶ 7 ተኩል ላይ እቃውን አከፋፍሎ ለእናንተ ሰጣችሁ። ማን? ታላቅ ወንድማችሁ። አባታችሁ በሌላኛው ቀን ለታላቅ ወንድማችሁ ሲደውል ታላቅ ወንድማችሁ አጋጣሚ ቲቶር ገብቷል፣ አልተመቸውም። ስለዚህ አባታችሁ ምንድነው የሚያደርገው? ራሱ ለመምጣት ይሞክርና 11 ሰዓት ከስራ ይወጣል። 11 ተኩል መድረስ ፈልጎ 11 ተኩል መድረስ አልቻለም። 12 ሰዓት መድረስ ፈልጎ አልቻለም። 1 ሰዓት ይደርሳል። አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ 2 ሰዓት ይደርሳል አባታችሁ። አንዳንዴ ደግሞ ሲቀና 1 ሰዓት ተኩል 1 ሰዓት ላይ ይደርሳል። አንደርስታንድ አደረጋችሁኝ? አባታችሁ ራሱ ኦፈር አድርጎ በየትኛው መንገድ ለመምጣት ሲሞክር አልሆንም አለው በጊዜ ለመድረስ። ለምን? ክራውድድ ስለሆነ። ወንድማችሁ የተላከውን ነገር ለተላከለት ሰው በተላከበት ደቂቃ በአሪፍ ፍጥነት አደረሰላችሁ። እንደተላከው በተላከው መንገድ ለተላከው ሰው በተላከው ሰዓት ወንድማችሁ አደረሰላችሁ። ስለዚህ ወንድማችሁ ጋይድድ የተደረገ ነው። እንደዚህ አድርግ፣ እንዲሂድ፣ እንዲስጥ በቃ የሆነ ይናዛ ገብታችኋል። ስለዚህ ይሄ ጋይድድ ወይንም ዋየርድ ብለን እንጠራዋለን። ዋየርለስ ደግሞ ስንል አባታችሁ በተለያየ መንገድ ሊመጣ ሞከረ፣ ግን ምን ማድረግ አልቻለም፣ በጊዜ መድረስ። ስለዚህ ዝናብ ሲኖር፣ የአየር ብክለት ሲኖር ኔትወርክም ልክ እንደዚሁ ምን ይላል? ይቀንሳል፣ ፑር ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ዋየርለስ የምንለው ይሄንን ነው። ስለዚህ ወንድማችሁ የ15000 ብሩን ነገር ኦፈር አድርጎ ገዝቶ በራሱ ለእናንተ ማምጣት፣ ምክንያቱስ ተላኪ ነው፣ እሱ መልእክተኛ ነው። ላኪው ማን ነው? አባታችሁ። ለዚህ ፋይሉን የሚልከው ሶርስ አለ፣ ፋይሉን ደግሞ ይዞ የሚያደርሱ አሉ። እነዚህ ኮሚኒኬሽን ሚዲያ የምንላቸው ማለት ነው። በዚህ እንደተረዳችሁ ተስፋ አድርጋለሁ። ግልጽ እንደሆነላችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። ቴንክ ዩ። ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳረሱ። ሰላም።